Welcome to my channel. Linksys extender not broadcasting SSID. Check if your computer can ping the range extender. A ping test is performed using a computer through the Run or Command Prompt, Windows, or Ping, Mac, feature. The range extender should be directly connected to the computer using an Ethernet cable before performing this test. To ping the range extender, you will need to obtain its IP address, which can be found in the DHCP client table of your router's web interface. Once you have the extender's IP address, perform a ping test on your operating system. Linksys RE6400, RE6300. 1. You will need to connect your computer directly to the extender via the Ethernet port and log into the range extender's web interface. 2. On the Wireless tab, scroll down to 2.4 GHz wireless settings, then click Advanced Settings. 3. Make sure your Wi-Fi settings match your Wi-Fi router's settings. Otherwise, make your changes in the network name, SSID, and password fields. 4. Click Save.